This is pretty big, so I sent it to him and I said, something you may be interested in.
On the front lines of cancer research.
The documentary is really a behind-the-scenes look at an immunotherapy clinical trial that's taking place at Providence Cancer Institute here in Portland.
Titled Within Reach, The Fight to Finish Cancer, the documentary follows cancer patients through the trial.
I've been very fortunate that I've been able to participate.
Without getting too in the weeds here, the trial takes T cells and engineers them to fight a particular cancer.
And some of the patients that are in the documentary were literally the first people in the world to receive the type of treatments that they're receiving. So this is the type of cutting edge thing that's happening right there. And we just felt like it was a story that needed to be told.
One of those stories is that of Tom Burkhardt.
I've got stage 4 pancreatic cancer with metastasis to the liver.
Diagnosed in February of 2022, Tom and his wife Misty knew his options were few and far between, especially after treatment didn't work. So Tom decided to join the trial at Providence.
We would not be where we are if it's not for research, right? This trial where I'm at right now, we've gleaned so much information from now versus in the beginning.
Important work. Something Misty says Tom was dedicated to.
And one of the things he really wanted was to be able to leave some kind of a legacy.
A legacy that could potentially save lives, even if he was part of the trial for less than a year.
I was his spouse and his nurse all the way up to the very end. I was the one who ended up calling time of death.
Though Tom died, Misty says she thinks the trial added many more months to his life. And as his door closed, she hopes it helps open another one. Behind that door would be the cure for cancer.
And my hope is that by opening a window into this type of research, that more people will be willing to donate and support this type of research. And that's one way how breakthroughs are going to happen faster and be more readily available for more people.
In Portland, China Green, KGW News.